What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here with the Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors, pearls, flakes, a little bit of everything. We shoot them over top to create cool new interesting color combinations, and then you guys vote on it. Decide, do you love it, do you hate it? 1 through 5. 1 you don't care, 5 is the greatest thing, and you can rate it anywhere in between. I got my fender prepped up behind me today, and what we're going to be doing is two-toning it with these two Rustoleum colors. We got gloss apple red and semi-gloss black, and then we got a new color shift from Eye Candy called Pagoda Temple. This is like a gold to bronze to almost pinkish type color shift. I think it's going to be really cool in contrast over the red and over the black. Well, hey, that's kind of been our go-to color, especially with color shifts, to really bring out the shifting effect with it. But there's only one way to find out today, guys. Let's get the two-tone on this fender behind me, and then we'll get to shooting some new pearls and see if we can't create something cool. Alright guys, we got our two Rustoleum colors laid down. That can only mean one thing. It's time for some pearl. I got my Speedo Coat clear here today, 4-to-1 mix. That is 4 parts clear, 1 part activator. It's a medium tip activator, 75 degrees out, it's perfect. And that's exactly how much I put in here. 4 plus 1, that's 5 ounces total. And now we're going to move over to this Pagoda Temple color shift. They got another one, I think, that's similar to this, Land of the Rising Sun. I've seen a few people use it on YouTube, but anyways, yeah, this one I think might even be a little bit cooler than that one. We'll see. But as always, I've got my little McCormick thing here. I'm gonna try and drop about, let's do about 1/8 teaspoon into this 5 ounces. I know this Eye Candy stuff tends to be pretty vivid, so yeah, it don't take much. And I'm gonna bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. All right, guys, so this is Pagoda Temple color shift. It is a gold dominated pearl if you look at the bag, and then actually in the mix looks like we got some variations of maybe some pinks and maybe even some purples, but it's definitely a gold dominated, much like another color shift we used on this channel called Champagne. We've used that for a long time, seems to be a favorite, but if you look at it, see it has pinks and stuff at certain angles. So it looks like that's probably a preview of things to come. I think that'll be great over top of this red and over top of the black. Who knows? But there's only one way to figure it out, and that's let's load up our V-bore gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, I got this Pagoda Temple color shift loaded up in my V-bore gun, 1.4 tip, shoot at 28 psi, wide open trigger if you want to replicate my settings. We'll do a light coat first, followed up by 1 or 2 heavier coats till we get full coverage and a good gloss. And we'll take it outside in the sun, see what we got, and yeah, I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get to spraying. Alright guys, here's Pagoda Temple over Gloss Apple Red and Semi-Gloss Black. Man, that's a cool shift. Gold to pink. And look at that, I mean, it's just beautiful. Eye Candy does make some really cool looking pigments. What do you guys think of today's spray out? Alright guys, so here's the spray out for today. Pagoda Temple Colorshift by Eye Candy Pigments over top of Semi-Gloss Black and Gloss Apple Red. Really cool combination today. I think it turned out pretty cool, but ultimately, it ain't up to me, it's up to you guys. Rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. If you want to spray with this pearl or any other pearl by Eye Candy, I got a link in the description. It's my affiliate link, and you guys will be able to get a small discount there. Takes you to Eye Candy, and you can pick up stuff there. And if you want to paint with the pearls that I've used other than Eye Candy, or the paint gun, or the clear, or anything else, links for that are in the description too, as seen on YouTube. Click it, it takes you to my Amazon store where you can purchase everything there. We get a small kickback, it don't cost you guys anything extra though, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else. Well, I had a lot of fun doing the spray out today, guys, but I'm ready to go in the house, and I hope you guys have a great one. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. Have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.